Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how to enable auto factory reset after 20 failed unlock attempts on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD. From here, tap on Secure Lock Settings, then enter in your PIN, password or pattern. Next, you should see the option Auto Factory Reset, and underneath it will be telling you that after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings, which is how it will reset back to the way it was when you first purchased the phone. And then all the data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So ensure that you back up your phone regularly when this feature is enabled, because after those 20 failed attempts, everything will be erased, and sometimes that can be an issue, especially if you haven't backed up any important files. So ensure that when you're turning this on, you keep your phone backed up regularly. So all you need to do is just tap on the toggle and turn it on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.